This is our weather in North Florida, and tonight it's gonna get in the 30s. Hey everyone, my name is Angelique, and you are now tuned into Smarter by Nature TV. I'm in my backyard, and I decided that I need to make another structure for my plants. It's getting pretty chilly tonight and tomorrow night, and so I feel like it's the perfect time to really get my hardening off station, my protective zone up and running so that my plants are protected. My heat loving plants, they don't like the 50-degree weather. They don't like the 40, the 30, like they just can't handle it, and they start to wilt, and it's just not fun for them. So I want to give them some protection. So today I'm going to show you how I make a small structure to protect my plants from the rain, from the heavy winds. The supplies that we use include our rebar, our zip ties, our PVC pipe, and plastic. Also clips. You need clips to clip down the plastic. And so here we go. The first thing I'm gonna do is put my rebar in the ground, and that is going to act as like my ground stakes, and then I slide my PVC pipe on it and it bends like that. So that's the first step. So what I did was put 6 rebar in the ground. Let's take a closer look. Here's what it looks like so far. I have 2 pallets and I have 3 rebar in the ground on both sides. I didn't really measure, I just kind of eyeballed it. Now I'm gonna get my PVC pipe. So I just set up the first 3 PVC pipes into the rods in the ground. It's pretty trippy trying to bend PVC pipe because it feels like, can it go? Is it gonna break? Is it even gonna bend? But you just keep going and just make sure that your rebar are set far apart enough and close enough to where it will reach. This is how it looks when I attach the PVC pipe to the rebar. Here's a close-up of the PVC pipe and the rebar connection. The rebar is in the ground. I put it about maybe 2 inches. You can put it as deep as feels sturdy to you. When you shake it, it's not moving that much. That's how you know it's pretty staked in there well. And then I just slide the PVC pipe on and voila. Now I'm gonna attach a spine along the top and attaching it using zip ties. This is really the frame of the greenhouse or the hardening off station. You have your wooden pallets. There's the rebar in the ground that's supporting the PVC pipe. And then we have a spine along the top. This works in our backyard. We already have shelter from the surrounding trees, so this is pretty steady. I use small zip ties and I made sure that they crisscross so it can hold in place. And I did it all the way down the spine. So this has worked for us. You can also put multiple PVC pipe to hold. So it's been probably less than 10 minutes and the structure is already done. I love this because I can put it up. I know it's some cool weather coming. I'll put it up real quick and all I have to do now is put plastic on and secure it with ties. So this plastic is 10 by 25 feet and I just use these large clips to pin down the plastic and hold it in place. So that's how I make my small greenhouse structure to protect my plants from heavy winds and strong rains. That's all for this video. I enjoyed sharing this video with you. I hope this encourages you to grow. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for being smarter by nature.